Hi there, students. High table. High table. Okay, let's see. This is at British universities, particularly Oxford and Cambridge, at some expensive boarding schools, including Hogwarts. Okay, let's see. These places, they normally have a large dining hall, a large room where the students eat. But normally at the end of the room, there is one table that's on a raised platform. It's a higher platform, and that is the high table. And normally in an Oxford or Cambridge college, the high table, in my school as well, high table was where the teachers ate, where guests would eat. Yeah, but normal students couldn't go and sit at high table. Now, the food normally that's served at high table is much better quality. It's completely different to the food that everybody else gets. And Normally at high table there will be waiter service. A waiter will bring the food to the people, and maybe they will serve some very nice wines as well. Various Oxford and Cambridge colleges have wine cellars with fantastic collections of wine for the entertainment of their professors and visitors as well. Okay, so normally they in these dining halls there are long tables going down the hall, which is where the students or the plebeians or the normal people eat, and then at one end on this raised platform going across you have high table, and high table, they have the best food, the best wine, they have waiter service or waitress service, etc. This style actually comes from the Middle Ages. In the Middle Ages, when people ate, everybody in the house or the household would eat together, but there would be different tables and different grades of people, and there would be a high table where the lord of the manor and his family and friends sat, and the food would be very, very different. Okay, so high table. It's the place where the fellows, the teachers eat. Yeah, it's where they serve a formal meal to the important guests of a college or a university, and it's high because it's on a platform. Yeah, so yeah, it's slightly elevated to show quite how important these people are, as well. Very often, uh, you might wear a dinner jacket for dinner at high table in the evening. Yeah, and it's still very common to wear academic gowns when eating at high table. Yeah, so well, it's to show how wonderful and how important the university professors are. I'm not sure if they do this in the US. I think they do it at the University of Notre Dame in the United States, but it's certainly not common in the United States. It's a formal thing. Okay, so high table. Yeah, to tell you the truth, I've seen and been in places where there has been high table, but nobody's ever invited me to eat at high table. So I always wondered what it was like. Anyway, enough. Let's see, formality, high table. It's a very British thing. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. Use it anywhere because it is what it says it is. Yeah. And well, the origin, it comes from medieval times. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. High table.